Hello everyone, myself Anil Kumar from CIMAGE Group of Institutions, and in this video today I am going to discuss about the ASEAN Development Bank, and this is my table of content. The first of all, I would like to share with you about the introduction of the ADB, that is ASEAN Development Bank, organizational structure of the ASEAN Development Bank, the role and functions of the ASEAN Development Bank. Let me introduce the ASEAN Development Bank. First of all, we can understand that what is the conception of the Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank, it is a kind of the bank which supports for the international business and the other situation that arises in the Asian countries. Say for example, if a country of the Asia had badly been affected by the natural calamities, in that scenario, the development bank, Asian Development Bank, used to support the particular country. And for the economical growth also, the Asian Development Banks support for the developing nations, especially in the regions of the Asian continents. Now, let me introduce the Asian Development Bank. About Asian Development Bank is a regional development bank, is to facilitate economic development of members country. As we all know that the Asian Development Bank is a collection of there are many members under the Asian Development Bank, and it supports to their members in terms of the economic development. It is established on 19th December 1966 with 31 countries members, and now in current scenario the 68 members are there, and 49 members from the Asia Pacific region and 19 from outside that. And this is the composition of the Asian Development Bank. Headquarters of the Asian Development Bank is in Manila, Philippines, and the region served, in which region they have been serving, it is the Asia Pacific. And types, it is a regional organization. The purpose focusing on the credit and moreover for the development of the economy. And these are the few the information. It is all about the Asian Development Bank. The organ is the Board of Governance. The President Mastugu Asakawa, who is the current President of the Asian Development Bank from 17 January 2022 till date. The Vice President Ashok Labasha for private sector operations and public-private partnership. The total staff, the number of the staff under the Asian Development Bank is 3,000 plus. And working function, similar it is on the basis of the World Bank. It is similar to the World Bank. The bank admits the members of the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific region. Asian Development Bank assists its members and partners by providing loans, the technical assistance, grant and equity investments to promote social and economical development. As I told earlier also, the objective of this bank is to have the sense of the economic development as well as the investment purposes also. So this is a kind of the regional bank which supports for the member countries in terms of giving the loans, credits, and other facilitations in terms of the technology also. Our Asian Development Bank was modeled closely on the World Bank and has similar weighted voting systems where votes are distributed in proportion with the members' capital subscriptions. Now, the working functional aspects of the Asian Development Banks, it also resembles it is resembles as a World Bank. Say for example, with the voting system, the weighted voting system is been also prevalent under the Asian Development Bank, where the votes are distributed in proportion with the members' capital subscriptions. जिस मेंबर की जैसी कैपिटल की सब्सक्रिप्शन होगी उसी के अनुसार उनको वोट मिलेगा. And as the Japan is the largest shareholder of the Asian Development Bank, the president has always been from the Japan. Now, the next what I am going to discuss about the organizational structure of Asian Development Bank. The organization, it is been managed by the Board of Governors, and the highest policy making, it is the highest policy making body, means to say that the Board of Governors, they used to finalize the policy for the Asian Development Bank. It comprises one representative from each member nation and meet formally once a year during ADB annual meeting. इसमें ये भी कहा गया कि इसकी जो पॉलिसीज होती है वो निर्धारण किसके द्वारा की जाती है, ये बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स के द्वारा की जाती है, और एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन हर मेंबर कंट्रीज की तरफ से होता है, और ये लोग एनुअली एक बार साल में इसकी मीटिंग होती है, और उस मीटिंग में according to the situation, according to the requirements, they used to take the decisions. Now, the board of directors, what is the composition of the board of the directors? The board of governors elect among 12 members from the board of directors, performs full-time duty at headquarters. The director supervises ADB's financial statements, approve its administrative budgets, and review and approve all policy documents and all loans, equity and technical assistance operations. And these all are the functions of your board of directors. Now, it managed, the president hands a management team. It has a management team also comprising the 6 vice presidents. Under the presidents, there are 6 vice presidents, and the team supervises the work of the ADB's operational, administrative, and knowledge departments. And these are the some of the functions that under the presidency. Now, this is the organizational structure where this is how the organizations works in terms of the ADB. ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर है एडीबी का, जिसमें हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स है, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, प्रेसिडेंट, एंड अंडर प्रेसिडेंट देयर आर different vice presidents works out for the different purposes. Say for example, managing director general, vice president knowledge and management, vice president operation 1, vice president operation 2, and vice president finance and administration. So this is organizational structure for the Asian Development Bank. The most important thing, that is the functions and role of the Asian Development Bank. It was formed to foster economic growth and cooperation in the region of Asia and Pacific, and to contribute to the acceleration to economic development of the developing countries of the region. इसमें बोला गया कि ये इसलिए इसको बनाया गया ताकि एशिया पैसिफिक रीजन में हम इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट को एक्सेलरेट कर सकें और डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज को एक मोमेंटम दे सकें, सो दैट the developing nations could go for the international trade also. It also provides the loan, grants, equity, and technical assistance. Technical assistance means what? The providing advisory services to the member countries. इसमें एक जो असिस्टेंस होता है टेक्निकल टर्म्स में, से फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर किसी मेंबर कंट्री के पास कोई टेक्नोलॉजी है तो एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक उसमें प्रोसीडिंग्स करती है कि दैट काइंड ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी मस्ट बी शेयर बाय द मेंबर कंट्रीज. नाउ द अनदर फंक्शन, दैट इज द इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन. It promotes the investment in member countries, especially for the investment purposes. The another function is supporting the policies and plans, supporting members countries in developing policies and plans. Now, they used to frame such a kind of the plans which could be support for the developing nation, and especially the Asia Pacific nations. Another function is economic and social advancement, providing the loans and investment to a concessional rate to the member countries. और ये क्या करते हैं कि उनको जो मेंबर कंट्रीज होते हैं उनके लिए ये लोन्स फैसिलिटेट करते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट के तौर पे उनको डिफरेंट पॉलिसीज और प्रोग्राम के तहत उनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट को भी करता है, और ये सारा कुछ कंसेशनल रेट पे होता है। जो मेंबर्स कंट्री है उनको इसमें छूट दी जाती है, कंसेशन की जाती है, सो दैट दे कुड हैव द एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन, द इन्वेस्टमेंट कुड गेट द रिटर्न बैक, और इससे क्या होगा कि इकोनॉमिकल डेवलपमेंट प्रोसीड किया जाएगा। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा, लाइक करें, शेयर करें। थैंक यू सो मच।